We're kind of being shady right now. 3.
Surfer, all that.
It was awesome. It cost you like what, 70 bucks?
70 bucks.
1 million rupiah. What the hell happened to you?
Yeah, man.
Oh, I got trashed.
Today we are heading to Canggu. This is our first time in Canggu, and we're hoping to meet up with our friend Craig over there. He's kind of like in a Seminyak area, so we'll be able to meet up with him. And we are also on a mission to repair the drone. We're kind of being shady right now because we ordered a Grab taxi, which is their Uber, and technically they're not allowed to pick up over here. They are only allowed to drop off because the local taxi service is so strict. They only want you to use local taxi services, which are expensive. So we ordered a taxi. The guy is 9 minutes away, and we are just kind of hanging out on the side of the road waiting for him to get us and hopefully not get into trouble, because we've heard stories about the local drivers, like when they see a Grab driver, they will pull them out of the car and like beat him up. I'm sure it doesn't happen all the time, but it did happen in the past. Steve's just waiting here. And this is our best friend. Hi. What do you got there? Yummy, yummy. 2. 2. Oh, that's 3. 3.
Seagulls were dancing all around. I woke up with a sunrise on the sea. Such a precious gift to me. The salty breeze and the waves, the slow pace, the salty breeze and the waves. I'm at a right place.
Hey guys. Ready.
Whoa, this is where the magic happens.
Set this.
Damn.
Yesterday we followed the road of the moon. We drove all day towards the coast.
Do you recommend putting some sort of like
Silica gel?
silicone gel on
Yeah.
something?
Yeah.
That'll help from corroding?
Yeah, for corrosion.
Oh, okay. Waiting?
Yeah.
So this is where we're trying to change the ribbon cable. All that for this little thing.
Crusty, and then it's starting to separate here.
Oh yeah.
So like it's just exposed stuff inside here now. I definitely don't have the skill to be changing that.
YouTube, man.
Yeah, YouTube.
This guy learned everything from YouTube.
Yeah.
Pretty amazing. What's your name?
Putu.
Putu?
Putu, yeah.
Sweet.
Nice to meet you.
I'm
Putu.
Steve.
Steve, yeah.
Eva.
And Eva.
This name, Bali name. Yeah. Putu.
Putu.
Yeah, Wayan.
Putu Wayan.
Putu Wayan. Yeah.
Does it-
Kadek Made.
Monday.
Yeah.
Looks good to me, man.
Drone mission accomplished.
We did
Drone
it.
is fixed.
It works.
It was awesome. It cost you like what, 70 bucks?
70 bucks.
1 million rupiahs.
Worth every penny.
It would have been like $300 or $400 in the States, so pretty happy.
Yeah.
You going to Canggu?
Canggu
Beach?
No, we changed
we're
our
gonna
plans.
try to go see our friend Craig,
I'll get the address.
who
where
went
we're
out
going.
surfing the other day, and his board hit him, and now he has 17 stitches in his forehead, right here. So we're gonna go see him, see how he's doing.
It remembered me, the beauty of this life. Such a feeling to be alive.
Yeah, straight.
In my
Maybe 500 meters.
life, where I'm from.
Continue.
made it to Seminyak. The plan was originally to meet with our friend in Canggu for lunch, but because of his stitches, it's really hard for him to put on a helmet and like just ride scooter safely and comfortably. So we actually came down to Seminyak to meet him for lunch, and we are going to this awesome vegan place. It's called Zula. Hello, Zula.
Yeah, thanks.
There they are.
What up, dude? I can park over there.
What the hell happened to you?
Yeah, man.
Oh,
What
I
the
got
heck?
it.
Show
Yeah,
me.
I got trashed.
Why is it covered?
So it's all under the hat at this point.
Oh my god. Bye.
All right.
Here you go.
Thank you. Sorry we took so long.
Salty breeze in my lungs. On and on and on and on.
Hi, here. Kitty. Hi. Hello.
Salty breeze.
Come here. Have you been a good boy? Yeah? Oh, you were such a good boy. Daddy got you.
Slow pace. Salty breeze.
He's a superhero.
Oh, it's chicken stew. What are you saying, Kitty? What are you saying? He's ready. He's like the first to come in. Okay. Make yourself comfortable, Kitty.
Search for ghosts. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up as it helps me a lot. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I have some fun things planned for this channel, so you don't want to miss anything. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.